Hey. I'm videotaping, okay? Hi, Joe. Where are you going? Oh.
I found one.
Okay, what do you see down there? Now, the stuff on the left there has a card with it. No, hey. There's stuff kind of all spread out. But listen to me. See the little card?
Yeah.
What's it say? Maybe wait to read it till Leah's here. Leah, the little pile over on the left. Come over here.
From Grandma and Papa.
Yep, and there's a little pile for Ben. No, honey, it doesn't open. It's just like a little postcard. There's a little pile for Ben and a little pile for Leah.
What are these? Oh, they're like grabbers.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
guess.
look at it. They're like grabbers. They can grab things.
But what for, honey?
Those are mine.
No,
No, they're over
you
here.
both have a pair. Ben, hang on. What do you think you put in those, guys? Look where it's sitting. Look at the stuff that I put it with. The stuff that I put it with.
Candy?
No. Look at the... Yeah, what do you think? And the thing on top. What's that thing on top?
It's like some sort of music. It's sort of like a music box. Oh, wait, this is yours.
Look at the little ball that you grab things with.